Hi guys, Candis with Ponoka Chrysler. So I want to give you a quick look around a 2016 Mazda 3. Let's step outside and
This gorgeous red car has a 3.2 liter engine, front wheel drive. Beautiful color. Lots of tread left on the tires. On your key fob here, you have your unlock, lock, and your back trunk, and a aftermarket remote car starter. Going on to the inside here, you have your proximity key entry, so as long as the keys are within the vicinity, the door will automatically unlock. You have your windows and your mirror adjust there, as well as your locks. Black leather interior throughout the cab. So one of the main notable features here is only 49,090. Oh my goodness. Your kilometers are 49,951. Your speedometer, without seeing it with this, is right there, which is different than the ones that we usually deal with. Pretty cool that you see it projected there. On your steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your Uconnect here, your cruise control over here. Coming into the center, you have your navigation, as well as a backup camera there. Heated seats for your two front passengers, as well as your heat controls there, CD player. Okay, let's sunroof up here. Step out. I'm not used to stepping out of a car. I drive a truck, so it's a little harder for me to get out of the car. All right, so lots of room here in the back seat. Okay, just working our way back. I just popped the trunk. Just want to show you your backup camera's located there. Got a nice big mat in here, keeping your trunk clean, as well as some extra mats. So lots of room back there. All right, that concludes our walk around of this 2016 Mazda 3. If you'd like some more information on this car, you can give us a call at 403-783-5383 or visit us online at ponokachrysler.com to view our extensive inventory. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.